Hello everyone, this is me, Saurabh Avasthi, English faculty of Mount Litra G School, Jhansi. And today we are going to discuss about the second part of the chapter Reach for the Top, where we are going to study about Maria Sharapova. So here, in the previous video we completed about Santosh Yadav, and now in the part 2 we are going to start about Maria Sharapova, who is a tennis player. So let's begin about Maria Sharapova of class 9th Beehive. So in this part we are going to study about the introduction, explanation and new words with their meanings. So let's begin with the introduction of the chapter of part 2 now. Reach for the Top topic has been bifurcated in two parts. Each part of the topic contains a heroic story of two young girls. The heroine in the first part is a young mountaineer, Santosh Yadav, and the heroine of the second part is Maria Sharapova, a tennis sensation of the world. Santosh Yadav was born in a small village of Haryana state. She belonged to an agriculturist family. Her family was of the opinion of traditional values and they were adamant to keep their prevailing customs by. She rose to the highest glory by her hard efforts. In the same way, Maria Sharapova rises to the top of the tennis world with her hard efforts. She became the world's #1 tennis sensation and now becomes the most glamorous sensation of the modern world. So this was the introduction. Now let's begin with the explanation. There is some quality in contrast to Maria Sharapova's smile and glamour, which makes her likable. It is this quality that helped her achieve success as she attained world #1 position in women's tennis on Monday, 22nd of August 2005, where she proved herself. And also Maria's calmness and elegance is beyond her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager she took only 4 years of training to become the top seeded woman tennis player. The fast growth of her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. And also we can see here that she was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother, Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel to the US. So at the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs and so he also could not meet her. Maria was very young and so she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. The other students would return at 11 and would wake her up, ordering her to clean the room. So it can be seen that how her partners who were living in the same room were disturbing her and asked her by giving her order to clean the room every day. So now, Maria did not get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliation and insults also in order to achieve her dream. Maria retains her determination till present day. This determination led her to grab the women's single trophy at the Wimbledon Championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. Tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey. From the frozen region of Siberia, she is not moved by it. She gives straight answers when questioned about her aims, which imply that she accepts that the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she have got during her whole journey. Because this proves somewhere that Maria Sharapova has worked too hard just to achieve her goal, where she have given a message also to all the girls and to all the women. She adds that she is competitive and works hard as she considers it to be a part of her work. This is Maria's secret for success because without it nobody can achieve success like Maria Sharapova have achieved. Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be a Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in the core of her heart, she is a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russians and she is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. This shows the nationalism and her love towards that country. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns. Looking at her fit body, it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread and drinks aerated orange flavored drinks. So that means she was fond of eating too. Maria cannot be put into a particular category. Her talent, urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature helped her reach the top position in women's tennis. No one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get them all and to get all the success in her life. She says that many does motivate her to work hard. Tennis is both a sport and a business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in women's tennis. It was this dream that kept her working further very hard. So this was the summary and the explanation of the chapter of the second part related to Maria Sharapova of Reach for the Top, where her whole journey has been explained, that how she worked hard and how she was determined and how she reached the top spot in women's tennis. So this was the story of Maria Sharapova. So now let's begin with the new words along with their meanings now given in the chapter. Okay, so here the first word is disarming, which means likable. Second is at odds with, which means in conflict with. Third one is poised, which means calm or elegant. Fourth one is pinnacle, which means the most successful point of life. Now, the next word is rapid, which means fast. Accent means growth. Endure means suffer patiently. Heart-wrenching means extremely sad. Depress means sadden. Quitting means leaving. And pursue means to follow. Here, begging means winning. Meteoric means very rapid. Ambition means goal or aim. Employ means plentifully. Paradise means displace. Sophisticated means fashionable. At odds with, in disagreement with. And last, fizzy means aerated. So these were the words which are going to be helpful for you to understand the chapter easily and will make your lesson very easy for you to understand. So here these were the meanings, and now let's discuss about the homework. Here are few questions which you have to complete in your notebook. The first question is, what was Maria's mantra for success? The second question is, what role did Maria Sharapova's parents play in her success? Now the question number 3 is, how was Maria treated by her fellow students at Florida? And the last question 4 is, why did Maria Sharapova leave Siberia for USA? So I hope you will be able to answer the questions, and now we will meet again in the next video with another chapter. So till then, be safe, stay at home and be healthy. Thank you so much.